Hello viewer, once again you are welcome to my CWJ YouTube channel. And guys, we will talk about 2023 Mazda CX-7, and I hope you will get best info about 2023 Mazda CX-7. I request you, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel, so please subscribe for latest car news. Guys, the new Mazda CX-7 crossover SUV from 2023 stands out for its unique fitness design concept, and unlike other crossover which strive to maintain a durable image, the Japanese midsize focus on current form and dimensions that lend themselves to moving the specific woodland. And it has a wide enough width to fit into vehicle parking space as more portable arrangement, and its modest weight allow you to enjoy multiple vigorous driving session while decreasing your mileage. And most purchase will not be by the standard energy hub and found under the hood of your basic design new 2023 Mazda CX-7. This is to combine with 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, which is produce around 161 horsepower and 161 lb-ft of torque, but not with any major quickness. Most buyers will be more interested in the improved performance of your turbocharged multiple cooking pot. So what is the next? With the consumers still favoring SUVs, underdog Mazda want to maximize its punch in a hugely competitive marketplace, and brand's forthcoming CX-7 gasoline electric hybrid SUV could be just the tickets built alongside the new 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross in the Alhambra, and the reborn CX-7 will augment Mazda SUV lineup that currently includes the CX-30, CX-5 and CX-9. As you might expect, the new SUV will leverage Toyota highly developed gasoline electric hybrid powertrain tech, and the Mazda CX-7 is still an appealing automobile after 5 years on the market, and after its manufacturing pattern. Unlike many of its rivals, a Japanese mid-size crossover will not aim to appeal to those searching for a dependable off-road athletics energy vehicle. So the mid-size segment is more popular than ever, and especially 3-row compact SUV. The future of 2023 Mazda CX-7 is very likely to get hybrid drivetrain, and this might be one of the hottest model in the market next session. So Mazda is small player, so every vehicle in its lineup need to pull up its weight, and aging the Mazda 6 sedan and cramped CX-3 subcompact SUV are going away in the United States of America, while the newer CX-30 crossover is earning to its cape.